Well, here it is. We bought it for the smart block feature, and so far after 24 hours I am very impressed. I've had one phone call today from my son instead of the 50 blooming robocalls that we've been receiving before. It has a walkie-talkie feature where you can call all the phones in the house at the same time instead of yelling. Speed dial feature is great. You just press the number assigned and hold it down for about 3 seconds and it calls through. So I'm really enjoying this phone. That's what we got it for.
This phone is no good. This phone from the day it come, the volume low, it don't work properly. The only reason I had to send it back because I couldn't remember who I buy it from. But now I look and I realize it's Amazon I buy it from. This is the worst phone ever. I wish I could send it back.
Ask your doctor about monthly Trulicity. This is a payday bar with tons of peanuts and caramel that get the job done. So you can think of it as a tool to hammer your hunger, cut your appetite in half, and demolish your urge for peanuts. Payday. Get to it. Also try chocolatey payday.
Verizon Unlimited is going ultra, so you get more than ever. With 5G ultra wideband in many more cities, you get up to 10 times the speed at no extra cost.
It's not that easy to see. Doesn't get very bright. And maybe I should have brought a different color. Not that easy to use.
Por ejemplo, ahora con la presidencia y eso que están montando encuestas.
I'm able to get signal all the way out on the sidewalk.